A car rental business rents a compact car at a daily rate of $25.20 plus 20 cents per mile. Now, Mike could afford to spend $48 on the car rental for one day. How many miles can he drive and stay within his budget? Okay, so we're going to start the last sentence, because the last sentence tells us that the number of miles is the unknown that we're looking for. So we're going to give that a symbol. Let's call that x. X equals number of miles. And that's unknown in this problem. Number of miles. And so what we know is that the amount that Mike could afford to spend, so we'll say amount Mike spends, and let's say he spends all $48, so the amount Mike spends is $48. All right, so let's put that into a mathematical equation. How much does he spend? Well, we're told that he's spending this. He's got to spend $25.20. That's the flat fee. Plus, he's spending an additional 20 cents per mile, 20 cents for every mile. So the amount he spends is going to be $25.20 plus, so we even have the word plus in the problem, $25.20 plus 20 cents, so 0.20 per mile times the number of miles. Now we don't know how many miles there are, so we're using x for that. Is, remember, is means equals $48. So equals 48. And so we're looking for how many miles he can drive and stay within his budget. So we're looking for x. We have to solve for x. So we'll get x by itself. So on the left-hand side of the equation, we have to get rid of the $25.20, the 25.20, and we have to get rid of the 0.20. So we'll start off with the opposite of a positive 25.20 is a negative 25.20. So we'll subtract that from the left-hand side, and whatever we do to the left, we have to do to the right. So we'll subtract 25.20 also from the right. So on the left-hand side, the positive and the negative, they cancel, leaving us with 0.20 times x. And on the right, if you maybe take out a calculator, 48 minus 25.20, that should give you 22.8. All right, now one more step, we'll apply the multiplication rule. We have multiplication on the left-hand side, so the opposite of that, if we want to get rid of the times 0.20, we will divide by 0.20. And again, whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. Divide both sides by 0.20. So on the left-hand side, the times 0.20 and the divide by 0.20, they cancel. So on the left-hand side of the equal sign, we have x, and that's what we're looking for. And then on the right, again, this is another job for the calculator. 22.8 divided by 0.2 gives us exactly 114. So the number of miles he could drive for $48 will be 114 miles. And that should do it for this problem.